Imagine a world where no one ever has to wait for a heart, kidney, or liver transplant again. A world where doctors can simply grow you a brand new, perfectly matched organ right there in a lab. Sounds like something out of a futuristic movie, right? Well, guess what? Science just made it a reality. Today, we re-diving into the absolutely mind-blowing discovery of regrowing human organs from stem cells, a breakthrough that is poised to change medicine as we know it forever. So, what exactly are these miracle workers called stem cells? Think of them as the ultimate building blocks of the human body. They are the blank slates, the master cells, with the incredible superpower to transform into any type of cell your body needs. Heart cells, brain cells, liver cells, skin cells, you name it, they can become it. Scientists have been fascinated by these cells for decades, studying their potential to repair and regrow damaged tissues and organs. To put it simply, if your body is a giant, complex Lego castle, stem cells are those magical, universal Lego bricks that can become any piece you've lost or broken. Now, for the really cool part. How do scientists actually grow a whole organ? It's like a high-tech biological recipe. First, they often take stem cells from the patient's own body. This is a brilliant move because it means the new organ will be a perfect match and the body won't reject it. These stem cells are then placed in a special lab environment, a bit like a high-tech greenhouse for organs. They're given all the right nutrients, growth factors, and signals. Most importantly, they're placed on a 3D scaffold, which acts like a blueprint or a mold, guiding the cells to grow into the correct shape. Over weeks or even months, these clever little cells multiply and organize themselves into complex tissues, eventually forming miniature versions of real organs, often called organoids. We're talking about mini hearts that can actually beat on their own, and mini livers that perform basic filtering functions. It's truly amazing to witness. And this isn't just happening in theory. We're seeing real, tangible breakthroughs. Just a couple of years ago, researchers in Japan and the US successfully grew heart tissue from stem cells that could contract and pump fluid, just like a real heart muscle. In other labs, scientists are growing miniature human livers to safely test new drugs and study diseases without risking harm to patients. More recently, incredible progress has been made in regrowing entire kidneys and lungs in animal models, bringing us one giant leap closer to full organ regeneration for humans. These discoveries aren't just fascinating science experiments. They are the foundational steps toward a future where organ shortages could become a distant memory. Of course, the road to a fully functional, lab-grown human organ isn't without its hurdles. It's a massive challenge. Scientists still need to figure out how to scale these mini organs up to the full size needed for an adult human. They also need to ensure that the new organ can be safely and effectively connected to the body's intricate network of blood vessels and nerves. And, as with any powerful technology, they must ensure the process is completely safe, avoiding any potential risks. but the pace of progress is absolutely breathtaking. Many experts in the field are optimistic, believing we could see the first fully functional, transplantable lab-grown human organs within the next 10 to 20 years. Just think about what this means. This discovery has the potential to save millions of lives. It could eliminate the agonizingly long transplant waiting lists and allow doctors to custom grow organs that are a perfect, rejection-proof match for every single patient. It is, without a doubt, one of the most exciting frontiers in science, and it's literally shaping the future of medicine right before our eyes. Isn't that just incredible? A world where we can regrow our own organs is closer than you think. If you're as amazed by this science as I am, do me a favor and hit that like button. Let me know in the comments which organ you think is the most crucial to learn how to regrow. And of course, make sure you subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.